Irrigated Sports. A perfect program, perfect engaging, and perfect unexpected. Irrigated Sports. A papa. So listen to Irrigated Stop. You grow old and you die old. Thank you.
Thank you too. Easy. Enti owie ni se pe na Sisichum so abawrem. Sisichum yanko.
Sisichum.
There be to bodin foforo dey na bon foforo.
Other for me din this Sisichum. Na dey bia miti Irrigated Sports. There is no day minti Irrigated because miti manage na me stress ah.
I don't know. Okay, nothing na Kumchacha so atwaso my
is Prophet Kumchacha. I'm listening Alligators Sport on Adom FM 106.3 FM. So you listen Prophet Kumchacha. I'm listening and I'm here. God bless you.
God bless you too, Kumchacha. Okay, and now Kwabia so say Kwame ne aunt ne kasa because ne ofre di kan erade na said no bash me no oh mami yo
attack you
ofre me oba am me so Victoria so fiako
said bia mo boni nyi wa otie
oso fiako fiako ba
je se wa foko
Saturday no so ma
serious ba oso fiako ade abuli ya me serious
but no we was I am mo mo ani mani ajepa
any Roman
Victoria mami fan too man yeah do fan is hello good afternoon wa Ghana.
Hello good afternoon wa UK.
Na me patcho your friend was saying
yes me Victoria me can say mama nsiri me o you mo yi amoye obi ani je mo na etia dodo mo tumi nye be 2 hours kora mpo
there when
anya
there when I can
me dey me kan mo asere me mo ya cheche pa da bia sa ayi abrantie yo kam ho da bia no mo asere mo say alligators
Atiafaso okay eti Trobwase opese ye Irrigated Sports 2 hours be pe kwa biso aboa ne se na oba ya me fi odenden ni oh me ma ya go Victoria zo fio
o se na nse na ne ba ware ye ntiri te se onye nipa ato
na aponchihwe yi
na no se wakodi training college for no achankra
sa
o kibi training college and one of them
we free Central University oh da bi ola so kira de o unim ne papa o
e bi o ha
e bi no obodi o na we de
e bi apata mi no e no
e bi no obodi o keke Benjamin ene o
osi ye chebi training college awon pani na de ko wana
okay tie
e chebi nye kibi mo da brofo ne say ade anam soma som o mo ba chebi no mutimi kan no mo di kibi ekuru
sa we no so sa na ayi no so wan no achim no so me na akim
instead of achim no is a brofo ni mistake na aka o
sa na samoja din ko mo say no gian o mo di gian sa no ase ball
obo panet na fa mo say gian
say ayi openi tune no to ache
me ba Benjamin Ochiankra asamu akwa me akan emu ohazu emu odu eti de be ne se yeguso yi no tomenkra na ma me hunu ba bia ogina pot na me address wa ma
address ayi aresoafo ho ayi friend say
wa fi Central University wa se wo ho na utwa part time wa
yi na say kra na ye no kasa say nke be wrong course bi eni ade ama ye so bebo eni say wu free ho yi na wa na do atija no
na nya de yeso yesa ko training college bi
David
bi eni bo ma ho ma musesi ya na me hunu de ko ba
we no ye kaka o mo say ye no wa na ne wo na wa anya oni o meyi eni si wo form si ojo so
ya mo me dun kra me hwepo We see you so. It's meant to an Kakara.
Within the Benjamin Ochre Ankara.
Now, who brass? Said the idea.
Sorry, Chairman, we'll crash at
My announcement was
we're trying to go back, we're coming or so, or pianos.
Within the Benjamin Ochre Ankara. Mecha Deo Central University. I irrigated sports there. A sports without limit. When Tibia, Minia, I irrigated sports. And no anonymity.
I don't know. But as I called the council, you'll be so. Or
But go upon to try to get my man for pay. I hear some Cosiano. One no apartments and coin could no cannot peg when you say. And now we are the and now we're good for the area, but I'm not great as was the idea. That's your very day. You don't way. You don't know no pan is when I could who come on, but you cool. Above when you are not more dead. I'm a person when I now I will walk. I will come my Nipanam. I will jam one. So, if you're there, enough can oh, that is me. Yeah, 50 cent in Jay-Z. No, oh, Debbie. Say, it's only toss anaka, made him no more that a cranny at the idea. A while panna, who say, time in the court. Tino say, me what? Timmy SME area, since we can create easy free, where I'm from Canning. And when you have to set, I know what's what I know. Timmy to shut down more time. And I'm when you're ready. Pullover. We say, Monica, so call Monica. We are day 1 to we are for 1 to Pullover, man. But first, so Italian baggers, no boy, we are not crowd and nasty on show. I could have me condo and I was about Conwa. And then to form a start to could you on the chain. And that's at a musia and not to phone us in scar, but in Safana and where is come out. So I keep him some about to never dinner. Because Mamma Crash was Rotia Dumpao. And I only now grow. That's what we can come on. What if Fukisada? Fukizan anything? Crowded in any movie. What if Fukanida? Fukani. And also in Madoko. Fufu no can. Sir, dear Cana, the Atchison. Unibida. There be from our phone. Sir, Uzunibida. There be I mean, never for no Muna, no, not there. The Atchison. Me and Casami do operation for Fufu, and I'm good. I owe my neighbor, operation for the picture. If you're on the identity, I'm quite no Mugus, no money, my you. No much a number now was here against the Fufukani the next day. Tomo ya mse memani be ma wudi abe ejimi na ma no nko adi nti na wi amakoto fufu top taste media na mse ti fufu kwa se na ma na no mudi sa aduane ne kohwe koseti a fua bobo omo yem eni homo epe no di atwo omo wan ya funu se kaputu omo ya mse memani ade nso mo di aban kwan na aye na nwa tuatuam e ma na ya na o fu aye yana a combination power because obi wo a o hwe de nimu a fefefe kama ne kokoso yi kama o hwe akiri ho nso a afro ne pie pe na age ni nyam but na furu nya be kese pe na asay dia kai na furu ya mo de ya da no ya mo da na nipa gira ya ina say ya so wo hwe ma na twetwe nwum o ni pe wo a wonyam na da bi o na wo a wonyam wo furu de kese sa ya de and say aya na normally I want so kan na no mo yesa obi a wo be nan so hu na obi a no ne body structure we say fat no okra on woda and obi on woda so fu say kaputu me ngoy ase be ma de omo so bu ana wo be sem chose nya wo nkwan me ne pe DJ you munya mo yankwan kete so mo de say so round there so we need them so no buy no na kabana no susu an master on na nam no I want to like my boss mini papa ko so peace na me hwe na fu de to na say eh onia unie abrabo we yi as some of di mo atate asem obeni em say minim se sa de we bi ato da o makwanya ama mframen e de atumbe sima be mi ensem bia se wabotrim po se okotwa de titi waduane ani pa wo ho
na wawro ya die fa we nhye fa nhye be wi afi obotu butomu a
sika
isi famie ni bi okra ne nyese sika na ira be bia na wallet kra no wamfa na kati ahwe wo a chese oje hu ba bia
enya ntwa na menye ye nti we de ntokwa ndi oba bi
e bia to pen
aduane mu adie mu die
me de ka na bia to me da
mi nhia bi da na mum ayi mokra mu nyitema ayi me call committee 4 Evergreen supermarket na koye shopping me kan ene ma so agumu ani oh timie ya na me kodu na abawe hia asese oyi no time so me ma me wallet no aye ready say be ya
we are
ma rama fi me de me safa wallet ni o ti wa na me che lead ni so go on na wallet no ka me timi yi aba se bu aya me tena se am pese be hye me to sa
eno ma sisi echia
ya
eno ya mo am weska no
ayopati fonaka
ana ma
obu ani de sika ni so
sika nim kwa na
ne ni oma ona se binum shada bobo no ma shem dan ko kufo no
short na de tena se drive se enye
me de me sisi be chia the beginning of the month no but middle of the month there wallet is okra me ntese hye
jo afi mi be bo wura ka yi mu a fami se eche ma pie free wa bra man fa wallet ti me sign eron ko inside
na ko e den hobie mi am san ko
o da bi enye fesa
da
bi adi bi wa ba wa bi so obi anim so obi ana me kese woni
basa ani ma no wan fam pie
da bi wo mu sa but enye fesa mtimi ko ka
me also ready mu because e basa pe wan kasa tu go kra bu for se
mi yi ni ma e ba mi sika ni
da bi oni pa no
ti
de nkofo so ho e na man kan chen so onya me se on to aso no on boni
that is a problem
onsa mo obi tu wo eyi nipa mba bi nipa tata so ma nipa na onsa bo ne to no entwa na ni mehwe wa na adwene ne se wo krofo uhu sa ni bi da
e say call back and I'm catching so
uni patrim
I na me nim say me wallet ne da kan but it's unfortunate say enim it you know o de onfa we ni si o na I have to go back home and pick my wallet and sana my buy no so no problem ti wa pe na oye ya na ofre omo shop nu ba kuma obey ye ni mani na na chese chale afi no kra na me ye ni si kra me kokra no still no
watikwa
chese matikwa mdudu sala sa de de to a enye
ni wati anya ma na oja anya ma no
na me nyesen no nipa no na me du a me ji de akwa
so chese Jerry Justice
o de I can't do that
Jerry Justice na credit card
Jerry Justice na credit card de utimi yesa
ba kwa comedian na ya ka me tena mu no na me hu se me sika na kita me na hya me hu biem na me fi aboso kan amekọ ka so a se wana me twe ben mate na me chen se me kan bọ kokra je se bra mate asoma atumini me fu se sa no mutie wow my mo janto kwaku eni pe wo kai mu nyina be hwe me na se me catch him oh masa free me so ko
am so anga sem sa sem bia betu bia so keto bia ni mu ana yende
mate tete man aga bia uti se wa pon classes a watch back seat no se mate ada na we sa bra mpacho mate ma wa na sister me das oh say na me do me junction na me see form am some must turn bye na otua me but me one nesika no
wa nyine number there
oh that be obi do mo say awokra unika prayers no do mo say
ko no say mu show appreciation
oh the appreciation be an bye that's in the mixture kwaku ya mo ngran sem ya bo ngran sem dia sem bebre ora kwasi nya ntachi te say court wa oda ana say ye omo mo hwe anti money laundering is ankrofo no so no omo de che say bank bia kwasi nya ntachi ni sika beto oda biara ana so no my business biara no obi amfa ehun statement
enyo no kon ni GF nyina
oni GF nyina wa woni ne wo na say o ka say $12,000 no o wa kwa be microphone dia fa so dia ba so we video no o so no anka sa wo microfinance company a betra mama wa ya fam just wa yare no ta ye o say 12,000 so the back room money laundering say me wa
kan ye ka credit den na ya na is entiye ya tiase
atiase na so me san kan ye nya de and man me anti free abrochi asama o ka chi o mfa so be
ai fa so ho na
o say aye su tete me o say
they say fa so no no ko bi aka fa so
ya mo ka sa na ya na nye wani
aye no
so bia o say na mo ha kwa me oba de do na so na man ya o de
ko bre me o man kan
ma me ne kan wie
o so sia o bre me
kan so ban kire o
kwakwe ma me ne kan wie na me ka chen say ene aya on kan kire no so say onyai say ono ha ne ho no
enti kwaku ebia enche bia no unua bank statement ba be todwa ana so de basa enchere na nam social media ti obehu account ama o ye wa hyew o ze 00 no kan enye yie se scan no de to bank dia 64 no ye wa de to bank
ntimi nkire
ko bisa me say asiwo isa inde
obani u se world cup no ye nya ba bia bebo ba ko pa ni a hye ba bia bebo ba ko ni asa hye ba bia bebo ba ko biem so what the make na say ha so don be ye ho ntoto ye no na say de ayanya ne ntia say Canada America and Mexico and I can boom. I will see 2026 there no. What you say? The make out here.
I was following the thing on CNN a short while ago. That time we have
joint hosting on Moyano. In the history of the World Cup, no Caribbean see the countries in Kwame and Sa ebe host World Cup. The last time I remember near Japan and Japan one hosted Boom.
Japan Korea.
That was 2002. But the first time our countries Makuma and Sa ebe hostino 2026. America, Canada and Mexico. So what you say? Enti na unu say na Morocco so
na Morocco dey no kuzi because na
Morocco dey enti amfa say Morocco so di Africa for ho ya pa ene san countries makoma be 10 African countries makoma be 10 obi no a otoma Morocco
because na me follow na it was looking good kakra ba fi me hwe
say the kafra say afani afanka na interest be from kodi munu Africa ni akopa be di bia Africa fo nyirara obi no otoma Morocco kra say anka Morocco anyi influence ni na so but munya akukuduro etoma other countries na aka no say de omonye na anya me nwa de che say krom ha ye wo no obi e no African countries so obi e person ko Europe na so ko America na the World Cup yi ko we nkrofo e akwanya man nkrofo bi cause me nkrofo be bi no ko ye kra no a ono ama biem enti no anya me nwa so mo nyina toma
ani mum biem aya no ko ade ba ko so ni say World Cup no say be ma aya health facilities awo any possibilities e obetimi anya bi aka ho because the premier football tournament yo we are singing na Morocco foi so red ayi amaya kese mienza omoka omotambo anu Mexico ne ayi
American kwa ya semu
America ni Canada so hwemu a tese stadium kwa omo no Morocco die so na kwa omo wini afia ansa no mo ba besi 9 new stadiums what you say any e kan stadium ha eti uhwemu a na kwan bi so no omo si ya mana ya ansane de wo hodada no omo susu ayi ohwe stadium on present here na de wo lowest capacity cry 68,000 capacity e wo ho omo use dada after tournament no so omo betimi asa use na de wo mu nie unim say 2026 World Cup no 48 teams
but the abano say information rich and say na my ya ko TV ona nanka o lead
ama Africa je say
Morocco dey betimi possible
kwesi o say no dey ya Canada
yes
eno nye ne ka dey na asem ne ba no ye run fa ho
yes dey na che say ekwan bi as na say Morocco
unse e ba ye no kra no ensema na manfo bobo so say sa mafia na western world no ye bi no kra bi ka ho bi na nipa bi susu kra so mo ne bo ana ase pa se be ya unse o hwe ya investors ya no mu ye na yese efa bi no ebinum free Morocco ni ade so hwe what say Morocco for DBP mu a no mo bo apa ebe yese ebe penti Africa football no black because Kwesinya Ntachi the second most powerful person African football mo it is any pensa hu ofia dey enti na wiase nyina ball ni ka akono say ye de be hye wonsa what you say enti
in short no ba so just say abrofo na use analysis against us
sana analysis na ni omo ye no me ntimi draw sa conclusion enti na eno no so wo ho
but we WhatsApp conversation between Anas and Kwesinya Ntachi Anas sorry anopa na obo mu ana Pepe or say Charlie how Kwesinya Ntachi yeah I was come out for there and now I only came to go collect the money we gave to you now the mission is done now that's my fee for starring your movie as the lead character
it's not a lead character
it were you ordinary skadie bi anu but I say skano na ma say like na omuso ka say on fa say sika nra what is that
ana so di sika no no e beto mu nra sa but say sika no de man anka so nyi nkoto
ba uri obeni ye bo akire so hwe no unse asem bia no wase ese Morocco fo o ka African Cup ya isi yakobo no he ena no ade ya baby eyi Ebola ibaye omo na wo se nkomo ehusu Ebola
ne ba no
na kamen kan say Ebola Ebola obeni e ba no omo ka se amanfo be ba ho de yare ni bia bra omo ne de omo na ehusu
ampa
e ma ye de amemene men kai ba bi kra de omo de call is it South Africa na say omo ye quickly na de call share baby e boy the African countries no yesi binom so ye no mfo ma adwen say yare wo ye ho de a World Cup de e bon ha ye ti be to atia eno so ka ho bi na unim 48 teams na nyame adoma 2026 e be call World Cup see I make say 32 teams but omo be ka ho abana be 48 na 48 no you see team bia no about 2 matches after 2 matches one team anya points also nya ukofie
and I say Ghana go World Cup come first way you can free World Cup
go do World Cup no na make
go do World Cup
finance na say na make because say na matches in it
and said the idea giveaway
coefficient some back form
giveaway as of show some
that it doesn't apply to this one
and yet when can
2026
unim the woman nyina ne say sa 48 teams na ebekọ no ebekọ World Cup no ye chemu into 16 groups bia 16 groups ne bia wo 3 it is a teams no enya 4 na 3 dia
when interim ayina anya bedu committee no if land this is here say government has set up and
I be the pele mu dia na na asen crofo
and dia na nya no
original na ban CC ni Dr. Kofi Amoa
okay saba bando
and chairperson and Mr. Kudu Fianu
okay
ono so member kum secretary and then Abedipele member Reverend Osei member and Miss Eva Ochre and so member
and Abedipele ko yana okobo ni team ko bo mo say 40 something go
yeah so far you mo abey there and can me say with the exception of Abedipele no and ka wan ya e wo he there
asabia so den wo
ani team egu ne ho ani mu ase poto
na ne yi say na ne ani okọ United
nkoko
na nya crowd
na me your park ni so na we share we are drinking almost about ya pass and can be of course
no so she go
akọ be 2 over and so how buy the twen ko no also almost no san botum go kwakuna Ghana for track oma betting bruni ni say omo kwan mo fa west bi ehye dictionary fufu na be ba no say ya omo tai advice no.
All right, more share Facebook live no. There's some challenges kakrani adinti. I'm not streaming here BB, but open so here live. I wait me a call YouTube and I say YouTube no so. Wait me a share. No, Adom FM live. Yes, on YouTube. Ndi on there. Still live.
Well, we have me faka krama. I ain't be able to no dictionary. I call you nyanta. I say bribe collector. And it's now what nyantatic, the act of collecting bribe. And you want nyantacious, a conscious bribe receiver. And you want nyantatum, future bribe collector. And you say well nyantatively behaving in a bribing manner. And you say well nyantology, the branch of human anatomy which teaches how to use big words to collect bribe.
Oh, wow.
Like I have the president in my pocket.
Yes.
And where is my friend?
Take over the whole country.
And you want nyanticracy, the system of government where one can put a constitutional elected president in his pocket.
Yes.
The way new words are. Yes, I just am buying say Britain buying say I'm fancy this na remove.
Apani a release na now kan one free a Ministry of Information.
Yeah.
Or say government set up interim committee to manage football. Na Dankwaku Eboa, ya enua Dankwaku Eboa na omde na spokesperson.
Yeah.
Wabreo nyantati tuo ho pa amana ntiri mai anya me nwanwa wabreo papa ni tuo ni ho pa
obani bia corona na me kan e Gabon na ide me fe ko bua no na unse ball ya ya ene players ya start ya o mu nwinwin ya tu agum ya players ya start o mu nwinwin ora tachi ahen o se even no de ene yakra ne eyi Emani League no Women's League ani ebo no kuruma because ama ashawo ene ba si braso ate papa
sa obo no anya adwuma ye dia
o se ma no so hu dodo na ene wo de omobo no kra na ono akopa akokɔ hwebo ni bi ni ade tinki e kapa titutu braso e okruma ene penify center omnye no mpe bibi mfa ho na unse haso folk de nsuo toja ya ene omo kura bokiti
be na be sponsor omo has
e ba be so nsuo na no ye anansi yi video yi ukuada ya wada ade chief fiada no pa a presidency dey ayi information by a dissolve Ghana football sada no fiada no mo so pam mo coach
wow
coach Henry Wellington o mo pam Nintimum papa bi ampam ne se sa bri ni
ye nim se Ghana football ne be me agya abo
Friday na nyumre na mo letter by so that time na presidency ya dissolve ade na
dissolve dey 10 days pay you can see renew
the first ayi na buy no
first dissolve the next day nyem ra dissolve sa and run yakọ court and yakọ 10 days 10 days ne so ya say meje foforo e bi kura yakọ ya say ya nya fa
openi na omu yi no a Arora's coach
na that team no omo asem to say
omo has now omo under 20 any from has Aras coach no Marco Fana by a friend set Hoffman and our parent anymore
when you grab Obayade Hoffman Bruni about Democrat is a
Debbie on your Bruni
Hoffman because
on your Bruni one Bruni only
when him say no need set Hoffman. But I fit. Yeah,
the fit in a bubble. You Ghana most strongest in the Guji Kotoko. Yes, I'm not.
Well, couldn't say Morocco from Dubai, almost in Africa for Aquabia sending message again from Yom.
I'm person in Africa. Memfa wonko northern region SMBS won aya homete eni pamfo mu aba Nigeria fo mi oni bi oni one ne yiri na nam wo na makọ bi obisika 16,000 na oni mko amfa so wi ano omko no mo se omo ye NGO fo amu sisi mox wo nkura ase okay
to mo papa ni dim komo na be ma no said that papa ni pie free store ho o ye sa pena na yiri aya fast eko share mu na we ko yi sa eska no sa na obi a otwam de wo yi number na gu ni trim na mo na mo makọ akọ kire ho
okay
enti sankrofo ba mo nche no ma dress kama sa no mu kala na esa brofo kakra no aya mususu Ghana fo bebre onye hu obroni pa ana ho adwodwo
but you see I mean in as much as I kasa say man for be very alert and you know be very careful we ba no sa mobile money transaction it's anema no boys no so devising new strategies all the time when him say make us say there's a bank in town tell about kono ho achi no pa make us say as so otua 12,000 cedis because
obi afford
akwa bi yi ne simple cry number na o de yes ano till now mo friend number na enko unim de akwa na ye unim say mobile money ho semsem ye ba ye ano say obi send o sika na say obetimi asan I recall sika no back no omo process bi a omo etimi ye na no na guy ne free say ono afrefi you know that department no MTN na it's about that time say omo extra omo sa de no say the be ya the lady at the bank no so ono in charge of
so kema ko so no in charge
no and ono kasa no so ntino onko through the system na on chain procedure no say the no in case obi be mobile money ade na say
so retrieve
na e call wrong no person retrieve back say the obetimi aye no so and working led me through the process ni na ultimately akwa so ideas with what been
someone can
watch do this do that na lady no so follow
go to your system open there
or ye ni na wie no or no so okay so now that's done so that's how you do it so let's just try it right now and see say
how it works
process now the amount you can do that to record the money back and you know okay so what amount crash we use okay you just transfer 12,000 to this very number that I'm communicating with you on and I lead in so you say and no send it 12,000 the man guy no and also okay so go through that same process and see
try to retrieve the money
retrieve the 12,000 in back after no shim 12,000 na kodi akwa no omo friend number no be si ne omo ehu akwa no
onim so penye sorry ahomachi a
chale
ebi ho no ma tse o tse wani chance wani ko ni ade a obe ya obi so ho no ma odadem a odadem ni nyina adwene no plans a ofa ni so ba bebu obi
is serious
ha dwen na ayi so onim ayi wiala onim so aware
sa did that day
yala ya tunyu
so mo ma je se mo twen no
me ma wa kukudu
did that day na say nanse ano
say na me say on photo ba na man for we no mo we no na ge we de ni kunu de na what's aware be for years credit mama why disappointed
oh Debbie no she's a nice girl why should I be disappointed
I don't contact national any part
now that Debbie extremely beautiful or pretty ladies go na be why
I just want to
na dem aka bibi
ku shoka samu
Debbie
extremely I just say
we na ho fa bro so
okay you phone line no briefly na NTA amount for adwen check akrafa sika ya man say obeji ya ono so say ode aye yinti eno ano no say
emu de hin
na sika ye no say eye wo a ena akoba ne say ena ya set up say ya na de akoba nsa na ye wie ya yes na set up ntino sika na ye ode en san fa bra
before so be call lines ne so football people you can't mo to know kruma pa football people unim sa yeah na say minim so nam ho kwade but also here ni stadium because boy ye bo kruma nyina contest ball kra mu tu aduru nom de abo the football people say si from kruma me nya sure so mo da mbeda
say blue so be bo ni dua o
omo be tran kwanta na so apa mo to ase
0302 2165610 0268499347 it was meant for the engineer hello good evening.
Good evening.
Said the omni mo agui there. Me yen sure so the man.
Jerry. O say na the one you pass. On shake this ka go policy bag ma mo bi da. Shake o mo ba o mkuta da o mo suitcase so ba one na de ba.
There be the my process no. O de wo a enti betua scan back na huntua.
Say you my home na margin scan me tia ba de. Me ntia
bye bye.
Office scan ko.
Hey, so hello.
Hello.
Good evening.
Right, bro.
One can bet you back and now you back.
Oh, yeah, that's the my country drink. Hey, I'm here, yeah. Please, I'm hey, I'm so good.
Yo, and then that is a gun for said one we did not. Yanta Jesus and Munyan no going to be. Hello.
Hello, Jerry.
Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Me patch on my way from say.
I am from Dr. Numa Katafi.
Hey, one can obey to your back and now you.
Na kama yesem kama kokin tata bano pa kama kokin na wo buri pere mazi ya ede tu wo yeri gas ya no kasa wo no ko yeri gas na ya ne dia obi ko ta please ayi tatu sigata woni sigata tatu sigata to ni sigata o saro saro ba
yan ko fa cha twudi amamu ye hello good evening odo from say oh sorry about that you from hello I see enough phone lines where hello you're from say
inkum yes
enti anka betua na untua
metie no oso de ache me na asaso so de ache me
ubetua na oso de ache na asaso so de ache o
so Jerry would me be and then we around 4 o'clock Tamasco opposite one man dia eyi no abodam na car say this speed ba no oba no abba stop cars na enye koso no na enye ma for police mo nim say ba this mo tumi aba enye kura o car say this speed ba Tamasco road no so no omo free and force ba Tamasco
hon so mo ba ya na speed wo ba sa stretch one so mo ba ya na speed wo pa nti
speed wo da of gradually enye small
okay all right
my hotline so mo ba the minim
all right mami ami san kan chom bi ntim pacho we kura ho hefa for na be hom there be we come to 2 police for na be hom it come to 2 police for SM bebre yes obi ati chain ama cars ne bar from St Paul's one bar Tamasco no cars ne bar no person chi cars ni di yes bebre mon ko hwe no obi afa kan from fan so ama why yes hello good evening
god yari ni
musu ni ebo ya jo ya fro say
you na kwa me
okay na you do
kan on mo kra na ko kokin office kan mo mu say oguni pa no ma si afa office kan
hey Charlie Ghana wouldn't say so far course now for no nipa ba ko pe and say on the obery tennis can so that heaven and earth will forgive him but to be as there be yemfa last one hello me pa try from say
me dey pa try from
ekua one can obery tennis can na return
na ko ti an kan ko so the man me person me na so the man pa na for John Bu Peterson the best thing come papa na no share for the way
Jim FM
katikọ na gutiri so
wasan katiro class for the way
say akoye o say na heaven dia chen ne ho na no bi kan say obo akudu heaven e say aware dodo anya bone a
da bi eno ko ayi no
e bi abekọ no
akwa no no so say imagine say wakona judgment day now selection timi afa about ukodu heaven wi akohwe ya say na ubadwa man fa ide chikura say na enye bone
afika so watena wi ase sa
afika akwede ode ni say
wachiro ho kom za no
awanfa ide akwede ni say guri tisi yi urati madi kwase ase
to be honest seva sa ne say no wa yan pre ko na say yan wa ko da jari no wa
So hey, you first see fast that can say my transport.
You see the now when say Friday.
If you there,
I na make come asem. If you there be Friday. It is if you there we so say holiday count. So what you say? It's here na ye botwi na ya call. Ohima we je ice bar.
Yes. Ice bar no.
Latest bar.
The only the one and only ice bar.
I work room. No. So what you say?
So on Friday we be call.
Na if you dem so bar.
Deco plus those one.
I just sent Kodesh one. So what you say? We say no industrial area. No dey onya bisa say Kodesh one ya obi hu.
The ice bar.
Oh, onya bisa say there.
And who won't say blog party tadan who say
if I show your friend ice bar why
or him out ye
ice bar now papa be so ne dom so be ba e ye fie mo so no e te any man yensa ne ye kan bom
say industrial area I will say sorry be ben hu
as sorry accuse kan
a lighthouse sorry
I was ready once ya na we ado wa chere betraso as that can say come on supplex about you don't want so much so we know for